And then we ran out to the people on the beach to convince them to come have our food. We did not have much time, to go out to them. So we really had to rush.
Could you please come to my truck and have my food? I'm the yellow truck. How are you guys feeling? Good? Do you feel like eating something spicy and fresh?
Excuse me, I made some tandoori skewers and some aloo chaat. Would you like to come and taste it for me? And if in case you like it, so you can probably vote for me later.
Guys, please come to my truck. Please come to my truck. Hi! Hello. So these are smaller portions because it's gourmet food, so it's smaller portions. Please go for it.
You like to try Mexico on a plate? Yes. All right.
I think as a cook, I have to go into that zone and look at people's faces to know that if they are satisfied with my food. And there were people who reacted in a good way.
Yeah, it's good flavor. It's very appetizing. It's well put together.
Oh, it's delicious.
I love everything. It's amazing, so tasteful. And I love the guacamole. It's perfect.
Very delicious. I have never tasted such food like this ever in my life.
The Mexican stuff is good. Guacamole is really good stuff. Texture is good.
Yeah, I like the Italian stuff. The brinjal was really well cooked, very nice, tasty, tangy.
The food was delicious. It was great. Everything was fresh. I'm still deciding which food truck to vote for.
I was sold out in like a good 4 minutes flat because I'd plated all my 20 plates at one go. So I just had to hand them out, give my flags out. Please vote for me. Please vote for me.
I really enjoyed the use of eggplant. That's my favorite vegetable. So for me, I think it was Italy that really shined through with the paste and the eggplant. It was really well done.
I'm going to vote for Mexican food.
I'll vote Indian food.
I personally thought that the Indian was the best. She got a good balance of flavors going on. The paneer was really well marinated, and the salad was really nice.
I just tried the Mexican one, but I think she will win.
Here we are, one more time at the drop zone of Bertolli Presents Femme Foodies riding on Suzuki Let's, only on Living Foods. This is the time for elimination.
When the results came in and we were standing at the drop zone, it was a reality check that this could end any moment.
As you know, only 2 of you would be able to leave your black aprons behind you. 1 of you can leave us.
Ipsita, Kiran, and Tarana. Today, you had to interpret Mexican, Italian, and Indian cuisines. And all 3 of you were valiant.
Kiran, your dish. Talk about it.
I made a grilled eggplant stack with charred bell pepper sauce and mozzarella.
Kiran, this was the second time you cooked live, right?
Yeah.
The second time that you found yourself in the black apron.
Yes.
You think you could have done better?
I think I could have managed my time better.
In my head, by that time, I was pretty sure that in terms of flavors, I was there. And the other 2 dishes were better than me in terms of size of the portion.
Ipsita, let me ask you a question. You were the smartest. You saved the most. You shopped smart. You think you could have cooked smarter?
I wanted to put sour cream to complete the dish.
You think you could have cooked smarter?
I could have avoided my nachos.